Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news at 7:30 p.m. So be cautious at this timing because you already know that it is quite volatile for the lower time frame trades. So let's move to the charts now. This is the monthly chart, and what we were anticipating before that we are going to see uh, something into the downward side or upside section because the market only runs in the two direction, not in the 3D. So we were waiting for the price to move into the other side to give us a clear bias. So currently the price has sprung up above this previous high, giving a signal that most likely it is going to go up. So let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, we see some kind of a similar scenario that the price is sweeping and we are still within this big candles range. So weekly is incapable to clear the bias right now, though we are having this FVG being respected as a signal of bullish trend into the weekly time frame. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price saved the FVG of the daily. And not only that, we moved above this small structure of this candle's range, which confirms that the price is bullish and this high most likely became a form of liquidity. Now, let's move to the 4 hours to see a clear picture of the move which is happening inside structure. So as we move into the 4 hour, we see clearly that this was a relative strong high for the price and the price disrespected it and moved into the upside direction. Currently, we have nothing almost mitigated in this leg, and I'm anticipating now that uh, the price is going to take this particular high. So it'll be a matter to see now, but I'll be bullish into the price. So let's move to the 2 hours now. As we move into the 2 hours, we see some kind of a similar scenario what we saw in 4 hour, but it now clarifies that the order flow has been fractured. That is, the bearish order flow which was going over here, it has been fractured by now, and the price is moving into the higher side. So I'll be anticipating now that most likely we are going to go up uh, and take this extreme liquidity. So let's move to to the 30 minutes directly and see what do we have for today's bias. As we move into the 30 minutes, what we see is that the price respected this flip zone, moved into the higher side, and then currently we are further moving upside. So I'm waiting for the price to load this indicator, but it's taking a bit time. But I can say that this is the Asia low. Yeah, of course. This is the Asia low, and if we are going to go higher, most likely we are going to mitigate this uh, FVG and then go higher. And this will be my target. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that most likely there could be a session manipulation where this sitting liquidity will be taken by the market and we are going to go down or react from this structure or this inverted FVG, and then we are going to go higher and take this extreme high as a liquidity. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how do you see Euro USD's trend today. Till then, uh, keep learning and keep trading. See you later.